everyone. It has been too long, and I've got really bad hiccups this morning. So I thought I'll just make a video since you guys seems to enjoy it. So I thought I'd say hi. The hair is questionable this morning. Still my bed hair. I gave it a wee cut the other day because it was getting a bit too long. When I was curling it, it was basically losing its curls within a couple of hours. So I thought, right, I'm gonna get it fixed. Shave it off again. And I managed to get my mirrors back, so I did the back of my neck. And oh my gosh, the amount of hair that came off there, it was unbelievable. Let's see if I can put it down here so I'm not moving so much. You're a bit squint, but I'm sure. Okay. There we go. So still in my PJs, but the sun's out. Yay, the sun's coming out now. I think it's going to be about 10 degrees here, which is really warm considering the fact we've had naff weather for a while. So I'm thinking of going to do crazy golf, just get outside. I'll put sunscreen on Wee Man. I'm currently picking out clothes for myself, but anyhow, I know it's been a while since I was last on the phone. It's just I was having technical difficulties with my phone. It wasn't working very well, wasn't accepting phone calls, so I decided, right, I'm going to go back to the shop and see what's wrong. Because it was less than a month old, I managed to get it swapped over, so got a new phone again. It seems to be working a lot better, so fingers crossed. So I did ask for an upgrade of my snackbox, but it didn't come through this month. I can't read things and understand them very well, so as far as I'm aware, it should be next month, so it's like a month behind or a month in front. So I think I paid this month for next month, and I paid last month for this month. So the price did go up, but I didn't see it come off my account or anything like that, so it's like, right, okay. So fingers crossed it will be next month. Sorry, I'm just rabbiting on here. I have had lack of sleep for the last 3 days. I was very switched off, very groggy, and I just couldn't sleep very well. And last night I slept like a baby. It's amazing. Anyway, onto the snack box for this month. We have Australia. I couldn't help but open it up first because I was excited. It's like, I want to know what it is. So to let you know, like, have a rough idea. I'm loving what's in here, by the way. Things that are in here is like, I'm totally going to enjoy this. I know I wasn't so fond on Italy, but their food was nice. It was really nice. It just wasn't my forte. But this month for Australia, everything seems to be like, oh, I want that. So we have a wagon wheel. I love wagon wheels. We have these gummy things. It's got like teeth, cola bottles, your wee little turtles. And I checked it. It's got no apple in it, so it's all good. We have Twisties, which is chicken flavour. Crispies. We have barbecue shapes. Is this it? Barbecue shapes. I like my barbecue. And then we have also some French fries. There's a lot of crisps in this one, but that's okay. We all have 7 sour grape fruit chews. You're going to laugh if they're really sour because my face scurs up. I might even have one. I was going to say I might have one now, but I'm sure you are enjoying me having these hiccups and being in pain. So I'll hold them off. I got a Tim Tam. I think it's a biscuit. There is no substitute. Oh, okay. So it's made with irresistible real chocolate. Never really tried fake chocolate, unless it's the cheapy chocolate that I call over here. Might not like this, but I'll give it a try. You got your cherry ripe. I think that's what it says. Though I'm not a fan lover of cherry, but I think this will be quite nice. Absolutely love this. As soon as I've seen it, I know exactly what it is because I eat them over here. So I'm wondering if it will be the same over there. But they have the dream. We got them taken off the shelves for quite a while over here, and I was upset. It's like, no, and then I ended up moving away from it anyway. So I'm going to be very, very, very happy with this. I'm not entirely sure what this one is. I'm just going to quickly check in here. I haven't looked through the book yet. It's a chewy, no, I'm not even going to say what it is just yet. It's a Fantales. I'll let you see what it says. There, if you can see it. It says that there should be 2, but unfortunately I only have 1. I'm absolutely happy with that. When I used to drink fizzy juice, I used to love cream soda, is what it's called over here. But they've got creaming soda, so I'm hoping it tastes the same or better. In fact, I'm hoping it tastes better than ours. So I'm so looking forward to this, but I'm going to drink it later. But yeah, that's it. Unfortunately, it's like, oh no, and things I'm missing out on is like Gold Kit Kat, you've got your chocolate things, you've got your caramel koalas. I mean, I'm not too upset on what I've not got in this premium one. Because it's mainly crisps and more chocolate. I'm quite happy with what I've got. I'm happy. Just so hopefully next month I'll have the whole shebang. So it's near that time where I'm going to stop eating so much chocolate. Well, with me saying I'm not going to eat so much chocolate, right? No joke. I have eaten nothing but chocolate every single day. Lots of it. And it's like, this is getting really bad. It's like I'm getting myself sick of it. So when I do have the month's break, I'm going to be glad. I have so many Easter eggs. I bought myself one. Then my sister bought me one. And my girlfriend bought me one. And then my ex, Ben's dad, bought me one. And it's like, oh my gosh, I've got so many eggs to go through. My missus bought me 2 eggs. It's like, no, just eat one. So I've given her one of them back. But I've kept the little mini eggs. I've got so much chocolate. And then Ben's got a lot of chocolate too. It's like, oh. I'm hoping that I don't eat it all, but I will admit, I've been bad. I've been pre-eating them. Why wait till the weekend? Just like on the Sunday. It's the Easter week, just eat them. They're not going to go anywhere. Apart from my belly. Oh, these hiccups are so bad. Oh my god. My sister has a wee little hack that if she gets a teaspoon of sugar, it gets rid of it for her. It does work, I have tried it, but it's not, I don't really like eating sugar like that. It's a bit minky. I don't mind eating sugar when it's in sweets and stuff, but that's about it. Talking about sugar and stuff. I had a tub of ice cream. Now, I'm sure this is to the norm for everybody else. Not everybody else, but for other people, this is like a common thing. But I had a tub of Magnum ice cream, which had chocolate all around the sides, and it had shards of chocolate between it. I can't remember how many grams it was, but it's just like, if you know what Ben and Jerry's ice cream is like in little tubs, it's a bit like that. And I ate the whole thing in one sitting in probably 15 minutes or less. And I have sensitive teeth, and I couldn't stop eating it. It was like, oh my gosh. I did have a little bit of a sugar rush. I mean, it wasn't a good sugar rush. It was more like my head was just feeling fuzzy, and I've had a wee bit of the shakes and stuff. That's probably why I got the hiccups. Not talking about having that ice cream, because that was a couple of days ago. It's more of the fact I'm eating so much chocolate at the moment. And it's like, maybe I should calm down. Calm down. Plus, I feel like I'm talking really fast today. Like, I was looking online on how much, on average, an adult should sleep at night. And it says between 1 and 2 hours of REM sleep, and the rest of it just a light sleep. Yesterday, I actually had 2 hours and 15 or 20 minutes of REM sleep. So I've got a lot of energy. I feel very refreshed because the night Before that, it was only 18 minutes of REM sleep. And I was like, I felt it. Oh gosh. Yeah. Ben swore yesterday. I'm not going to tell you what it was, but he swore. I called him a grotty something else, and he repeated it back so clearly. And no joke, I absolutely was gobsmacked, and I was laughing with tears in my with my eyes, and I was like, oh my gosh, like you swore. I was like, oh no, no joke. After I got over the initial shock, I was like, right, okay, I'm gonna have to record this. So I was trying to get him to say it again. He wasn't saying grotty, but he kept saying the other part. My sister says it sounds like burger, and it's like, okay. So now you can kind of get an idea what he said. It's like, I could do burger, but I know it's not burger he's saying. Oh, but it was so funny. It's like, I really need to be careful. I have such a bad mouth on me. And it's like, oh, he's going to start swearing at school. And he starts on the 12th as well. I haven't said this to you yet, but yeah, he starts nursery on the 12th. I get to go in with him for the manual handling because you need to have 2 teachers to help look after him and move him around for things. But because they only have 1 trained and the others aren't going to get trained till the 26th, oh, sorry, it was the 26th, it's now the 20th, I get to go in with him to be his manual handler, which I think is really, really nice because most parents don't get to do that. Yeah, I just get to see him for the first week and a bit, see how he settles in okay. And what I'll do is I'll not try and be in the classroom all the time because then he'll get used to me being there. So what my plan is to slowly keep moving myself out of the classroom, but I can't go too far because obviously I've got to manual handle him anyway. So we'll work it out, but it's exciting. I'm looking forward to him going. I really am. It'll be so much fun. They've said that they make them, well, they don't make them, but they do go home a state and a mess. But I says to the teacher, it's my motto is the messier they are, the happier they were. And I says to her that I'll just pack a load of towels in the car. You could just sit on them in this car seat. Oh, but I'm really happy that it's getting sunny. My son loves being outside, and I can see myself being out a lot more. I still haven't managed to find something to do merging of the videos and stuff, so I haven't got anything. But what I could do or possibly do is, I know I can't even do that. I was going to say make videos outside, but I really didn't want to have people complaining and moaning, and then I can't edit them out, so I'm better just staying somewhere where people can't be moaning about it. But I'll figure it out. But it's gonna be fun. Yay! I wonder how busy it's gonna be because the restrictions have been semi-lifted. It's not stay at home now, it's stay local and stay safe. So it's like, I wonder if people are going to all come out their homes now. Oh, this will be the joys. Oh, loads of crowds. I mean, I know I've had my first vaccine, but it doesn't mean anything. You can still catch it. And also, Ben's not had the vaccine, so he could catch it. I know it targets a lot older ages, but it has been known to attack some kids too. But anyway, enough about COVID. We've heard enough about that anyway. What else? What else can we talk about? Might go play, I don't know if I said already, but might go play crazy golf. I'll put Ben in his wheelchair today, and that way he can play along with us. If there's people behind me, I might just let them go in front. Not all of them, like let one go, then we have our shot, and then let them go, and then just, because I'm sure Ben will take a while to get it in the hole. But it'll be good fun. I was going to do it yesterday, but I got too tired. So I'm tempted just to have that can of juice. I'm going to have the can of juice. because I've got these hiccups and they're starting to get a bit annoying now. It might not get rid of it, but oh, do you want me to try the sewers? Want me to try the sewers? Yeah. How about we try the sewers and we try the cream soda, because it'll be fun. Right, so I'm going to look it up in the book and what it's, I know it's called sewers, but there it is. It's known for explosive flavour. Zappo fruit chews will leave you with a sour patch of grape that makes your mouth water. So let's have a look. So I've got to start taking antihistamines again, because obviously people have been cutting the grass and get a bit sniffly. I can't even open this up. Literally, I can't open it. It's like, no, don't do it. Don't do it to yourself. You know what it's going to be like. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, no wonder I can get it off, because it's stuck. There we go. So it's a little chew. Can't smell anything yet. So it's just like a little chew it. It's like bubblegum. It's like Hubba Bubba. I can feel the sourness coming through. I'm not going to say it's not too sour, because it could come later in it, but it's not that sour, to be honest. We've got a little bit of a hint, but it's nothing too severe. I'm just looking at the date, expiry date. It looks like 2012. Just about sitting, but it's not. It's 2022. It's got a little bit sour, but it's not too sour. But if you've noticed, I don't have the hiccups anymore. Yay! I usually keep my can clean, but it looks clean. I've been seeing on YouTube and Facebook that people can chow this bit off, just with using their teeth, and it's like, oh gosh, no, I don't know my teeth. I have very curved teeth anyway, so they're not very good for doing anything bad with. I'm in my son's room, as you can see, and I really didn't want to spill it everywhere. So, creaming soda. Fingers crossed it tastes nice. Oh, that's fizzy. Ooh. The first one doesn't count because obviously I've had the syrup. Wow, that is so fizzy. So, the next taste will probably be nice. Definitely fizzy. It's meant to be. It's fizzy juice. And it's pink, which is really, really nice. I don't like the colour pink, but I like the fact, I don't know. I'll just shut up. But so, theirs tastes like vanilla candy floss. That's what it tastes like. It doesn't taste like ours. Ours is more cream, whereas theirs tastes more like candy floss. And I love candy floss. For this, 10 out of 10. I'd happily keep drinking all this can. This one, I'd give this one probably a 7 out of 10. It's really chewy, which is meant to be. I think it's upside down. No, it's not. It's sour, but not too sour. They're nice, but they're not my favourites. Like, I don't want to be offensive. I like them. I really, really do. I'll give them a 7 out of 10. That's all I'm going to say. They're really, really nice. I'm going to be making... I'll come up with random stuff. I kind of want to try more. It's going to be greedy. I've had breakfast, which was yummy. Should we try some of these? So, retro party mix. Create smiles for the whole family as you open this bag of Aileen's. It's perfect mix with a favourite for everyone. I might not be able to try them all for you guys, but it's one of those bags that I just there we go. I like that pop there. Oh wow. You got some teeth. Is they lighter than mine? Wow. Wow. I can't even describe the flavour of this. I can't describe the flavour because I've never tried something like this before. They are so soft. Ours is powdery and just they're alright, but they're not great, but they are, wow. Oh look. My little pineapples. Right. I've not tried all the flavours yet, but they're 10 out of 10. They're chewy, but they're softy chewy. As soon as you bite into them, they just break up. I'm going to try and pull all the flavours out here. I think that's it. I would have pulled them ones out. Right. Ah, it's a racing car. That is so cute. They are so nice. It's got this little nice hint of a flavour. I can't describe it at the end. Just makes it extra juicy. Whoever invented them, absolutely amazing. I've just read on the back here, know your portions. You're supposed to have 5 per one, like for one serving. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 still sitting here and I've probably eaten about 3. Oops. Call the bottom. It doesn't taste completely like a cola bottle that I'm used to, but I can taste the cola. But because of how soft it is, I'm still loving it. Oh, there it is. I'm choking on the juices there. I don't know if I could maybe request, once I've tried a few countries and stuff, maybe request them to give me the one, like a box of just my favourites from every country. Because I'm pretty sure they have a store where they're just all sitting there anyway and you just fill the box. Oh my god. That there was just a gummy bear. I'm trying to see if I can find one. Oh, there's lips as well. I'm going to find it really hard to put these down. Right, anyway. That was one of the gummy bears. Lovely. Lips. Wow. I can't usually eat chewy sweets because of my jaw. Perfect. It doesn't even hurt. I'm gonna have a little drink. I've got 2 left. 2 different flavours. I've got like this little strawberry. Oh, raspberry. Oh. Right, so we'll go for the raspberry one. See, I don't know if you can see it, but the squish in it, it's just really squishy and soft. Our ones don't do that. Not much of a smell of them, but most definitely have an amazing taste. Oh, you can taste the raspberry. I've had to put the box away because I'm not going to keep eating them. Last one, which is a strawberry, and it's got a little. I was going to say it's got a little gooey bit at the bottom because with our sweets, they're, I think they're pretty much called Haribos. You've got loads of flavours, but the ones that I'm talking about is Haribos, and this bit was the softest bit, and the rest of it's just chewy. With these, they're all consistently the same. Out of all them, I preferred the teeth, the gummy bear, and the raspberry. But I like them all. Oh, I'm gonna burp. I'm gonna try and be modest about burping if I weren't going to do it. Oh my gosh, that was lovely. Whew. Right, so I've enjoyed what I've eaten so far. Oh, that's not a bad it's just, whew. This ain't just any creaming soda, this is Kirk's. This is Kirk's. It as a classic as it sound of an ice cream truck on a hot summer's day. Yeah, pretty much. Wow. Per 100 mils, this is 300 odds, so this is about 35 plus sugars in the can. It's an unhealthy weekend anyway. Anyway, that's it. I'm not doing any more for today. I give you an extra long one considering the fact I haven't spoken to you for quite a while. If you've made it this far, then hey, lost the hiccups, they're all gone. Yay! Thank gosh for sugar. What's the point of just eating a teaspoon of sugar when you can just eat sweets and get rid of it? But I do have gas stuck there. It's right there, sorry. I tried to make that quiet and backfired. Oh gosh. Right, anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here. And I hope you have a good day and a good Easter if I don't make one for tomorrow. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. And in my next video, I'll probably try some more sweets because I'm enjoying them. But anyway, have a good night or have a good day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!